Hello and welcome to our video tutorial on how to add an email address to your contact list in Gmail. If you're someone who uses Gmail frequently, you know how important it is to have all your important contacts saved in one place. So in this video, we'll be showing you step by step how to add an email address to your contact list in Gmail. Step 1. The first thing you need to do is open Gmail and navigate to the email address you want to save. This email address should look like example@gmail.com, and it should appear as in to example@gmail.com or name example. Step 2. Tap on the email address you want to save. It may take a few seconds, but eventually the email address will appear in a new window. Once it appears, tap on it again to access the contact options. Step 3. The contact options should appear in a pop-up window. Tap on the avatar outline with a plus sign next to it. This will allow you to add the email address to your contact list. Step 4. To add the email address to your contact list, you'll need to give Gmail access to your contacts. To do this, simply tap on Allow when prompted. Step 5. Finally, tap on Save to add the email address to your contact list. Now, whenever you want to compose an email and type their name in the To field, they will appear with their address alongside other options. And that's it. You now know how to add an email address to your contact list in Gmail. This is a really useful feature that can save you time and hassle in the long run. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching.